Hey there, fellow self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to make some serious passive income with KDP ebooks, you're in the right place. So let's dive into the top highly profitable medical workbooks KDP niches for 2023 Part 2. Our first niche is the Renal Diet Cookbook for Beginners. It boasts an impressive niche score of 81, indicating significant demand. With over 3,500 results, there's ample opportunity. The average BSR hovers around 110,000, and these books typically have over 300 reviews. Priced at just $13, it presents a great potential of earning. A best-selling book in this niche generates 10 sales daily, resulting in a daily profit of $42 daily. Monthly, that's 300 sales and a monthly profit of $1,261. Moving on to our second niche, the Workbook for Complex PTSD. It scores 62 on the niche scale, showing healthy demand. With under 150 results, it's not overly saturated. The average BSR is well under 500,000, and these books generally have 400-plus reviews. Priced at a premium $19, it offers excellent earning potential. A bestseller in this niche secures 25 daily sales, bringing in a daily profit of $70. Monthly, that's 750 sales, and a monthly profit of over $2,100. Now let's explore the Complete Adult Psychotherapy Treatment Planner. With a niche score of 63, there's substantial demand. Surprisingly, there are just 100 results, making it quite specialized. The average BSR stands at around 216,000, and these books boast over 900 reviews. Priced at a premium $35, it's a high-value niche. A bestseller in this niche achieves 28 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $461. Monthly, that's 840 sales, and an impressive monthly profit of $13,831. Jumping into our fourth niche, we have Anti-Inflammatory Diet for Beginners. With a niche score of 71, it's evident there's substantial demand. Although there are under 5,000 results, it's not overly competitive. The average BSR is around 85,000, and these books typically accumulate 700-plus reviews. Priced at $13, it strikes a balance between affordability and profitability. A best-selling book in this niche makes 55 daily sales, tallying up to a daily profit of $275. Monthly, that's 1,650 sales and a monthly profit of $8,260. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Diabetic Cookbook and Meal Plan. With an impressive niche score of 83, it's clearly in high demand. There are over 1,200 results, so it's not overly saturated. The average BSR hovers around 66,000, and these books typically amass 900-plus reviews. Priced at $12, it offers a sweet spot for profitability. A bestseller in this niche secures 33 daily sales, resulting in a daily profit of $182. And monthly, that's 990 sales and an impressive monthly profit of almost $5,500. And there you have it. The top 5 highly profitable medical workbooks KDP niches for 2023. These niches offer great opportunities to make money. Remember, it's all about higher niche scores, fewer results, lower BSRs, more reviews, and competitive pricing. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and, most importantly, subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.